my AI.
She feel me now. Through the motherfucking pain and the motherfucking rain, I got the motherfucking game, and it's a motherfucking shame how I spit that shit. You see the money train, I'm on that bitch, and I ain't gon' motherfucking fall. But I do this shit for my motherfucking dogs, and I ain't lying, man, I need a round of applause. And you be acting hard every time you run your dogs. When I catch it by yourself, nigga, I'ma break y'all. And I fuck with them niggas, man, they quick to take off like a motherfucking takeout. Bring it to your motherfucking doorstep, that's what beef out. Me and my niggas go to jail, we call that shit in and out. In and out that motherfucking pussy, man. And you already know Charmaine booty, she say some stupid things. Don't give a fuck, I ain't lying, I got a stupid slang. And you already know what stupid big dingaling. Real nasty nigga, got a nasty flipper. See a nasty flipper, I pass her to my nigga. I got a glass of liquor, you know I'm feeling drunk. I roll around, nigga, dead body in the trunk. You know what that mean? That stick on that, you know what that mean? Come fuck with me, you don't wanna see me on a motherfucking beat. And at the same time, I see you in the motherfucking streets. You a puss ass nigga with a capital P. And I roll with that heat, nigga, like I play with Wade and LeBron, nigga. I love them fucking guns, nigga. Love my fucking daughter and my motherfucking son, nigga. Wanna play some games? Well, all your games I won, nigga. Hell yeah, I'm shining, just like the sun, nigga. I don't give a fuck, I'm a pimp dumb one, nigga. I'll bring you back out the water, little pond, nigga. Big pond, nigga. Smash your ass. Call it playing high, I'll crash your ass. This is the motherfucking Clemens, nigga. Welcome to the fucking building, nigga. Gone.
Pussy, I own strong, I don't give a fuck about you. But I give a fuck about you. Like I gave a fuck about the fucking bitch I killed. But I don't give a fuck. This is an armed robbery. Get up, I want everything. Kicking down doors with the 4-4 and speed sticks, just to let a nigga know I want the dope, I want the coke. Get all up, even the blow. Fuck what you heard, I heard you got the pills. Give it to me now, if you don't, bitch, I will kill. Going fucking beast mode, turn her to a whole nother fucking beast mode. I'm a motherfucking killer one. Don't fuck with me, cause I'm a killer one. Now I'm killing this shit. Now I'm killing the game. Now I'm back in the game. Who them niggas think I was? Pulling motherfucking speed sticks. And I'm always riding, always throwing forward, always got a toe. Yeah, this ain't no Maloney shit. Don't give a fuck, nigga. This ain't no Maloney shit. I got the fucking speed stick. My nigga Boo, he just came home. But I don't give a fuck, all my niggas young gorillas, so we don't give a fuck. Put the test some shit up, rip your fucking face off, rip another asshole. Don't give a fuck about you. Now I'm back to that gorilla shit. Don't give a fuck, nigga. I say I lose it, shit. I say I'm gone mad, gone crazy. Now I'm mad. Where they at? Got the chop, now where they at?